your agency bills by the hour, you'll never break $20,000 per month. Here's the shift. There are two ways to sell what you do. The first, I'll build your chatbot, $2,000 one time, done. You spend 2 weeks on it, you get paid, and 3 months later, the client moves on because the chat broke and he doesn't want to pay you for support. That's selling hours or outputs. The second, I'll install a patient acquisition system that brings in 15 new clients every single month. I manage everything, monitor it, and optimize it over time. Same underlying technology, completely different conversation. In the first scenario, the client is buying a deliverable. In the second, they're buying a result. And results, real measurable business outcomes, justify ongoing investment. This is why this matters for your business specifically. When you sell a one-time build, every month is a new sell. New clients, new projects, new stress. When you sell outcomes on retainers, your revenue compounds. You add up clients and then they stay. Agencies that shift from project work to outcome-based retainers see a completely different growth trajectory. Client retention goes from 3 months to 18 months or longer. Revenue becomes predictable and the business gets easier to grow. The system you deploy is still the same. What changes is how you deliver or communicate the value. Outcomes below, and I'll share exactly how to make that transition with your current clients.